Today we're going to be reviewing the Samsung HW M450 Soundbar with 350 watt subwoofer, totally wireless, right here on Broken ISP. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get this thing unboxed. I use our trusty steak knife. Super Pro, maybe. Instead, this is going to be a video of me learning how to open a box. Remember, kids, never cut cords yourself. Bad, bad, bad. Alright. Gotta move this back here a little bit. We got our 320 watt subwoofer, all encased. Look at that thing. Huge. Lots of fun. On the back, you got the power port, and that's it. This is a wireless subwoofer. So, let's move on to the next part. Cables and accessories. What does Samsung give us when we buy one of these neat things? Let's find out. Our neat little Samsung remote. Couple of batteries. Batteries are included, it turns out. And in here we have our optical cable. Power cable for the subwoofer. Power cable for the soundbar. Power adapter. Some wall mount adapters if you're going to be doing that. We will not be in this video. And of course our user's manual, because if you don't know how to use it, you're in trouble. Alright, so that's the fun part. Let's get on to the actual soundbar itself. Easiest to cut it from the bottom because it comes out as one big lump, because of course it's a big old soundbar. As I drop it. Alright, there she is. Alright, outside of the basics, we have two HDMI ports right here and here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on video, but hopefully. We also have an auxiliary in, a USB port, and of course your optical port, so that way you can use optical video, or I'm sorry, optical audio instead of using Bluetooth, which is also available on it. So if you want your wireless experience, you can always use Bluetooth, or if you have a Samsung TV, it will also wirelessly connect to that. So we're going to go ahead and set this up and see what we got. So now we're going to go ahead and test the sound that this is capable of putting out. Let's check that out here.
This is the way the world ends.
Alright, so a little recap for our video here on the Samsung HW M450 soundbar. The sound on it, absolutely clear and crisp coming out of here. I mean, just really nice sound. Once we turned on the surround sound mode, it just kicked it up that extra notch that we really needed. The subwoofer, 350 watt wireless subwoofer. The thing hits like a Mack truck. It's amazing. I mean, like I always say, you know, it's not like you're sitting there buying like a $500 subwoofer and you're going to get like, you know, window breaking type of bass. But it's definitely going to put out a very, very good deep bass tone. Playing around with it with some of the different videos and some movies and stuff like that, we got excellent, excellent deep bass out of it. I don't know if I want to necessarily put it on full blast in an apartment. I'm just saying, you'd probably get in trouble. Anyway, long story made short, great soundbar. Generally runs around about $200 out on the market. We're going to have some links below of where you can go and pick it up at. And ultimately, yeah, just check it out. I think you're going to absolutely love the soundbar. It's just really great. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us so we can keep this channel rolling. We do appreciate your guys' support, and if you have some feedback or questions, please leave them down below as well. We love hearing from you guys, and in the meantime, have a good one.